This channel exists in order to show viewers that we are living in the very last days according to the Holy Bible. So today we're going to see a time comparison over 2.5 years of a very large striped planet that has been in our skies. It's very hard to find in these FAA weather camera images because it's very carefully hidden behind the atmospheric chemicals which are spread across the skies of our planet by high altitude jets. Clear images of this planet are always removed from these cameras before the public has access to them. I only get what they miss. Here is the striped planet 2.5 years ago from the northwest facing weather camera located in Tok, Alaska. There is always a red companion planet traveling with it, but it's not visible here, probably because of the cloud cover. And here it is again from the same camera at a different time, but during the same year, so I'm going to guess maybe like a month apart. The red companion planet is in the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, no editing has been done on these images, but contrast was added here to bring out the details. Here is the actual live video. You have to look very carefully to see these planets because they are hidden behind the atmospheric chemicals. Notice that in the 7th frame, part of the planet actually goes behind the clouds. Now this proves that it cannot possibly be a lens flare, because we all know that a lens flare can never go behind clouds or other objects in a picture or a video. In the Bible's book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 25, Jesus tells us that we will see signs in the sky when the end is near. This is why news media is prohibited from showing any of this to the public. The enemies of Christ do not want you to know how close to the end we are. The enemies of Christ do not want you to turn your life over to Jesus before your time runs out. This single picture of these same companion planets was taken from the November 12th video, so the images from the southeast facing weather camera in Thornby, Alaska are pretty recent. And here again we see the red celestial orb traveling very close to the striped planet. Technology is in place to blur and skew these objects. This is why the striped planet appears oblong instead of round. And here's a really good example of the blurring technology used. This one's from Puntia Lake, Alaska. And the objects in the sky can be blurred so severely that they just look like clouds. It's pretty amazing, actually.